Yesterday it was closed, today again it is closed. Good morning, welcome back to the vlog. I'm Lajo. Okay, that's Pema shouting there at the door because we're waiting for Maushi to come. It's early in the morning today on the 15th of May, Saturday today. I'm actually all set to go for my second vaccine jab, praying that I get it today because it seems to be out of stock in almost everywhere now. So I hope you guys are taking care of yourself, staying well at home and looking after your loved ones. I'll catch up with you soon now. I'll be leaving home. So there is no vaccine available today at all over here. I've just been told that if it's not coming today, it should come in tomorrow. So I have to come back tomorrow and check. I hope आज हो जाए. Okay. Beautiful old houses over here. So it's closed again today. Yesterday it was closed, today again it is closed. So we're still short of vaccines, of course. That's everywhere in India and the world too, of course. So I didn't get my second jab, but I think seeing how even one jab seems to be helping in immunity, I think the younger people between 18 and 44 should be getting their first jabs now. Especially the young parents actually fall into this age category, you know, below 45. Anything from 18 to 44, 45, and it's really all the more important for them to get vaccinated as soon as possible, really, so that the children are also, you know, protected at least from being exposed through their parents. So I'll wait for whenever my second jab becomes available, and I really hope and pray, of course, that all of India, or at least the required numbers in India, get their vaccine jabs. If it is available for you, please go and get it as soon as you can. Do not hesitate, do not waste time. It's really necessary and important to come over this pandemic. What is it? Gundu? 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 But Mash, you go and wake up Lassie every time you want to play with her. I'll play with you. I'll pull your hair. That's what you want to do, na? Lassie was sleeping comfortably, very peacefully over there. And this girl, I don't know when she went and woke her up. Lassie comes here to me. This girl just goes and plonks herself on top of Lassia. Yeah? Dum? Dum? Dumru pakro? Dumru pakro? Dumru pakro? She wants to play. She's just bored. So as if being in a pandemic is not enough, we're being hit with cyclones as well now. Thankfully, in Pune, we've been barely touched by the cyclone Tote. Tote? I think it's Tote. So in Pune, we've been barely touched by cyclone Tote. It's windy, a little bit of rain, but nothing like last year's Nisarga, right? Which actually blew off my veranda roofing. It's part of it, not all of it. But the west coast of India has been taking a lot of battering. I really feel bad for all of those people out there from Kerala, coastal Karnataka, the Konkan coastline, all of it, Mumbai, Gujarat. My prayers go out for them. So with the rains, our menu for today is vada pav. Maushi is going to make vadas. I'm going to make the green chutney. So this is Maushi's prep over here for the vadas, aloo vada. And we've got some caraway leaves from a caraway plant in the garden. That's ajwain leaves. I'm going to make bhajiyas also. This is the ajwain plant or caraway. I don't really know what the leaves would be called in English actually. I know it as ajwain. I can smell it right up to here. It's so amazing. The ajwain plant is actually an invasive plant, so of course you grow it in a pot, not in the soil in the garden. And all you need is a cutting really. Poke it into the soil and that's it. It just keeps coming back and grows like crazy really. That's Maushi's vada. Aloo vadas for vada pav. अच्छा दिख रहा है. These ajwain leaf bhajiyas taste amazing really. They have a sharp taste. Sharp and pungent taste to them. It's quite amazing. And it's something really enjoyable during the rains. So fried foods are absolute rare for me, a total rarity. This kind of thing would be like mainly in the monsoons. That's something I enjoy just about once or twice a year really. So, itna to banta hai. You have to enjoy life a little bit also. I mean, no matter how good care that one takes for diet, for exercise, for you know, your lifestyle also, you do need to be living life too. Of course, obviously within limits. Everything done within limits is fine really. I mean, good habits are good, bad habits are bad. But I believe that any kind of habit is really bad because then you can't do without it. Then that becomes a difficulty, you know. So sometimes, like say for example, you're used to eating good food, only healthy food. And if you're traveling, if you're on a holiday, you can't do that. It becomes really very difficult to manage then if you can't get, you know, proper healthy food only. And your system then has become so used to, you know, only health food, it just won't be able to take anything that's unhealthy or too heavy. So I hope you've enjoyed this vlog, and of course if you liked it, let me know. Hit the like button there and subscribe people. Please subscribe, add to our numbers. It's really important. It matters a lot. Okay, I'll see you soon.